everybody. Today we'll work with our mobility, our hips. So if you want beautiful middle split and that your hips work good and stretch good, stay with me and I will show you some exercise which you can do and that help you for good splits, maybe. So we will get started. We will start from this position and our feet looking in different side. Our hands will take on our elbows and we will try sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, after that we will take sit in this position, take strong leg and we moved 1, 2, 3 and 4. So guys, do not go away because we will do after middle split, so stay with me because we will only start it. Okay, after that we'll do this exercise on the other side. Takes our legs and sits 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. So then we will take our legs and try sit middle split. Try take our elbows and sit in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will slowly move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take our hands, take our leg and sit. So 1, I will a little bit turn. We will get sit in this position and work with our knees. So take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Amazing. 4. And we will change leg because all this exercise so important for your split. Okay. Then we take this leg and starting moving 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So after that you can push your elbow, your knees and start a little bit move behind. So 1, 2, 3. Good work and change. It's can little bit hard because you must push your knees, push your stomach on the floor with strong back, but it's very good for your split. So then I will take the legs on different sides, take your breath and slowly breathe out, go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. And so guys, I hope that you like it watching for the end this video. Take me likes, write me good comments and maybe write in your comments which video or elements you want. So bye bye, have a nice